In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Indeed profile. By the end, you'll have a polished profile that's ready for recruiters and makes applying to jobs faster and easier. Start on the Indeed homepage and click Sign In at the top right. On the Sign In page, choose Create an Account. You'll see options to sign up using Google, Apple, or email. Pick the method you prefer. If you choose a connected account like Google or Apple, you'll move through their quick authorization. If you choose email, you'll be asked for your name, email, and a strong password. Use a professional email you check often and a password you haven't used elsewhere. Next, verify your account. Open your inbox, find the message from Indeed, and complete verification by clicking the link or entering the code provided. You may also be prompted to add a phone number. This helps with security and allows employers to reach you more reliably, so enter it carefully and keep it current. Now, upload your resume. Click the Upload option and select a PDF or DOSX file. PDFs preserve formatting well, while DOSX can be easier for parsing. Make sure your file name looks professional and your resume uses clear headings, consistent dates, and standard fonts so Indeed can read it accurately. With your resume in place, fill out your profile sections. In work experience, list your roles, employers, dates, and a few concise bullet-style achievements written with action verbs and measurable results when possible. In education, include degrees, schools, and relevant coursework or honors. Under skills, add targeted skills that match the roles you want. Keep them relevant and avoid overstuffing. If you have certifications, licenses, or training, enter the credential name and issuing organization. Set your job preferences so Indeed can surface the right roles. Add your desired job title or titles, your target salary range, your preferred location or locations, and your work type such as on-site, remote, or hybrid. Accuracy here helps tailor recommendations and signals fit to employers. Turn on the setting that allows employers to find you. This increases your visibility in searches and can lead to inbound opportunities. When everything looks good, save your profile. You're ready to start applying for jobs. Use your completed profile to speed through applications and tailor your resume and answers to each posting for the best results. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Proofread every section, keep dates and job titles consistent, align your skills with common terms in your target job descriptions, and update your profile whenever you gain new experience or certifications. Consistency, clarity, and relevance will make your profile stand out.